If you're looking for easy and healthy way to meal prep breakfast for the week, then you need to try these delicious protein-packed snacks, egg bites or egg muffins. These are not only great for breakfast, but also an excellent snack or a late lunch. These are fantastic. The eggs are fluffy and the veggies are super tender. You can enjoy them warm, straight out of the oven, or even cold from the fridge. And the best part, they are super easy to customize and make ahead of time. We are going to make 3 fantastic versions today. Let's get started. Eggs are roaster ingredients. They are packed with protein and super versatile. Crack 6 eggs into a large bowl. Season with a bit of black pepper for an extra kick and some salt. Mix them up until they are nicely beaten. Add a quarter cup of milk to make the eggs nice and fluffy. Give it a good whisk until they are well combined. This will give us a total of 12 egg whites. Grease your muffin tin with some oil to prevent them from sticking. Now here is where you get creative. You can add any mixing that you like or whatever you have in your fridge. For our first version, we have a vibrant mixture of ingredients. These veggies will make your egg bites colorful and tasty. Each version has its own delicious twist. Add grated carrots, some onion, green bell pepper, tomatoes. Look at those colors. This is going to be a tasty and nutritious option. And to make it extra and delicious, we will add laughing cow cheese, but you can use your favorite cheese. These will melt beautiful and give our egg muffins a beautiful texture. Distribute your egg mixture evenly. For our second version, we have a bit of spicy twist. We will add diced onion, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, spring onions, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little heat. Make sure you evenly distribute the mixture among the cups. Last but not least, the third version is packed with grains. We will add diced onions, fresh spinach, green bell pepper. Add your egg mixture and top it up with some spring onions. Pop them into a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are well set and light gold on the top. Leave them to cool down for about a minute. Look at these beauties. Flavors are amazing and they're so light and fluffy. Each version has its own uniqueness. Whether you prefer the creamy, spicy, or the veggie packs, there is something for everyone. They are so convenient, you can make a bunch of them ahead of time and have breakfast or snack ready for the whole week. You can store them in the fridge for about 5 days in an airtight container. I hope you give these egg bites a try and experiment with your favorite ingredients. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Enjoy!